Hello guys, today's video we gonna repair LaserJet Pro M402dn. User complains that this printer does not work properly, so let's check the printer and find out the problem. Open the door cartridge. Remove the toner. Inside, look at the whole place and corner. If there is dense paper or unnecessary objects, if any, it should be removed. I have seen a metal spring that has been removed, and it is dangerous to get into the fusor assembly. We need to remove it. I even saw some paper tucked into the side. It must be removed. Oops. I think it's clear. Put the toner back on and close the cartridge door. Next, pull out the paper tray and check the pickup roller underneath the printer. As I can see, the pickup roller looks good and no need to replace. Put the cassette tray back on. Now, let's check the printer on printing mode. Connect the power AC cord. And wait for the printer initializing until getting ready. Oops, there is an error display on the panel. It says jam in the cartridge area. Open the front door and clear the jam. We already cleared the area in the first place, so we just open the door and close it again. And wait for the printer initializing until the display shows ready. Now, it's ready. Let's print a demo page. Ouch. There is something wrong. Print did not get out. Let's open the rear door and let's see what happened. Now, I see the problem. There's a missing part on this rear door. A paper guide. I think the user didn't know what it was for, and they removed it. Now I don't have it. Let's see if I can find anything here in the piles here. Luckily, I found one. This is what we need. Alright, let's install this thing. Now, it's alright, let's test the printer again. Clear the error display by the opening door, removing the toner and back altogether, and close the door. That's it. Print a demo page again. So far, the printer is back to normal and ready. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.